Here's how to use OBS Studio with Microsoft Teams so you can share slides like this. First, set up your scenes in OBS Studio and make sure that your transitions are working correctly. Next, activate the OBS virtual camera. Just go down here to the bottom right-hand corner and click on Start Virtual Camera. For the next step, we're going to jump over to Microsoft Teams. Here we are about to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. Click on the gear icon and make sure that OBS Virtual Camera has been selected down here. I'm now going to activate the camera and you will immediately see that the image is mirrored. We're going to fix that in just a moment. Now I'm going to join the meeting. You can also select the OBS virtual camera by going into the menu and then clicking on Device Settings and making sure that the OBS back in OBS Studio and Zoom, so we're going to use a workaround instead. We are now back in OBS Studio. I'm going to right-click the preview here, and then I'm going to pick this full screen projector for the preview and select my monitor there. I have shared on Windows is going to be that full screen preview that we created. It is in copy my OBS audio from OBS Studio to your Teams meeting. Follow the steps in this video.
Hi everyone, I'm do that by streaming inputs on YouTube to these themes to do this or OBS. If you do OBS options, it looks like this. You're likely going to just see a black screen here and lots of different options. Now I'm going to walk you through what we need to set here to be able to stream to different services. And the first thing that we want to do is we have a scene set up, so there's a default scene, and then you'll see this screen right here that's Teams, Microsoft And then to add a source, what I want to do is I want to add Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a window, so I'm going to go to Window Capture. Let's say that you're running Microsoft Teams in your browser. You could go ahead and add a browser window. But in my case, I have Microsoft Teams running on the desktop app, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Window Capture. Here it's going to say Create New, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to name it something so I know what this is, and so I'll call it Team I want to capture. And then select what go down, I'll see it wants me to is, and so I'll call it Teams Window Capture. And now what it'll do is it wants me to select what window I want to capture. And so under this drop down, I'll see it says Window. I could select, I'll see my team.
Hello, Moto.
Moto G57 Power. Be unstoppable.
I am going to capture. Now, one of the things that I can do is here you see all the different Teams Chrome within this window. If I just wanted to proceed with my only continuously press the Alt key and the red box, I can adjust what's going to be captured. And here I could adjust the window so it only shows the slide content in my stream. So that looks good. That's the content that I want to share. And now I need to set up the stream. And the easiest way to set up your stream is to go up to the Tools menu, click on that, and then click on Auto Configuration Wizard, and then you have two different options. You could optimize for streaming, or you could optimize the Tools menu, click on that, and then click on Auto Configuration Wizard, and then you have two different options. You could optimize for streaming, or you could optimize just for recording. In this case,